Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So this is your English video of Standard 2 and today we are going to do revision work of all the chapters that we have already studied earlier. So let's see what are the questions that you all are going to do today. Answer in one word. First question is answer in one word. So you all are going to do answer in one word first. So students, I will explain you how to write all the answers, and after that also if you find any difficulty while watching this video or while writing all the answers, you may note it down in your notebook and you may ask me in your class. Okay, so let's see what are the questions, and I hope so that every chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 and the poem is very clear to all of you. If it is not clear, then you may ask me in your class. No problem is there. Okay, students. So let's see what are the questions. Question number 1. What was Amir's favorite place? Do you know what was Amir's favorite place? Grandpa Farouk's garden was Amir's favorite place. This question is from chapter number 2. What was Amir's favorite place? Grandpa Farouk's garden was Amir's favorite place. So in this you will write Grandpa Farouk's garden. You will write the name of the garden. The name was Grandpa's garden, Grandpa Farouk's garden. Okay, what was Amir's favorite place? Grandpa Farouk's garden. So in this way you will write all the answers. Okay. Question number 2. Who were eating the plants? Do you know who were eating the plants? The pests. They were eating the plants very badly. And the plants that was dying. They were dying because the pests. They were eating all the plants. So who were eating the plants? Pests. And where they are eating the plants? The plants that are in the garden, Grandpa's garden. So who were eating the plants? Pests. Pests, pests were eating the plants. Number 3. What Grandpa needs to save the garden? At that time when the garden was dying, Grandpa was very worried and he needs something to save the garden. Do you know what? Ladybirds. Ladybirds are orange and red in color, small round insects, and black spots are on the body of ladybirds. So what Grandpa needs to save the garden? Ladybirds. L-A-D-Y, lady. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Ladybirds. Number 4. Who was the poet of the poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? So this question is from the poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? So who was the poet? Do you know? Swapna Datta was the poet. S-W-A-P-N-A. Swapna D-U-T-T-A Datta. Who was the poet of the poem? Have you seen the cuckoo bird? Swapna Datta. S-W-A-P-N-A. Swapna D-U-T-T-A Datta. Swapna Datta. Now come to question number 5. This question, who was too small to walk to school alone? This question was from chapter number 1. Too big, too small. And that chapter was about a girl named Shanu. So, who was too small to walk to school alone? Do you know? Shanu. She was very small to walk to school alone. She cannot walk alone to school because Shanu was like you students. You all are very small also. You cannot come to school alone. You need your parents, your driver, and anyone else with you so that they can drop you to school. They pick you from there. So like you, Shanu, she was also not able to go to school alone. Who was too small to walk to school alone? Shanu. S-H-A-N-U. Shanu. Now students, come to complete the sentences with adjectives with enough. Do you know what is the meaning of adjectives? Here it is written adjectives. Do you know what is the meaning of adjectives? Adjectives are the words that tell us more about noun or a pronoun. So adjectives with enough. Okay, the word that tells us more about a noun or pronoun, that is adjectives. So complete the sentences with adjectives with enough adjectives. So let's see what are the questions, and this question you have already completed in your book. So this is your revision work. Let's see students. Yeah, question number 1. Madhav is dash to ride the roller coaster. And in bracket, 2 adjectives are given with enough. You have to choose only one which is correct. So Madhav is dash to ride the roller coaster. Now the first word is old enough or quiet enough. Quiet means to be very quiet, be very silent. So Madhav is quiet enough to ride the roller coaster? No. If he will not be quiet, then also he can ride the roller coaster. So Madhav is old enough to ride the roller coaster. So here you will write old, O-L-D, old, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, old enough. Madhav is old enough to ride the roller coaster. So this is your answer. Okay, students. This is question number 2. Okay, see here, small enough and quick enough. Priya is dashed to ride the train alone. Priya is dashed to ride the train alone. Small enough or quick enough? She was not quick enough. If quick means to be very quick, to do anything very quickly. So Priya is quick enough to ride the train alone? No, alone is written. That means you have to write small enough. Priya is small enough to ride the train alone. She cannot ride the train alone because she is too small for that. So you will write here small, S-M-A-L-L, small, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Priya is small enough to ride the train alone. Priya is small enough to ride the train alone. Okay, this will be your answer, students. Okay. Here is question number 3. The suitcase is dash for me to carry. The suitcase is dash for me to carry. Light enough or old enough? Old means it's something that is related to your age. Okay, and light enough means something that is related to weight. Okay, light weight. So the suitcase is dash for me to carry. So here you will write light enough, L-I-G-H-T, light, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. So the suitcase is light, L-I-G-H-T, light, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. The suitcase is light enough for me to carry. So the answer will be the suitcase is light enough for me to carry. Okay, students. Now come to next question. Here is question number 4. The library is dash for students to study. Quite enough or tall enough? Tall is about height. Okay, tall enough. Library cannot be tall. Okay, tall human beings can be tall. Animals, they can be very tall. But library cannot be very tall. So you will write quite enough. Okay, so here you will write the library is quite enough for students to study. And you know, students, library is a place which is very quiet for students to study, so that they can study very nicely there. They pay attention very nicely without any disturbance. So the library is quite enough for students to study. This will be your answer, students. Okay. Now come to next question, that is complete the poem. Complete the poem. So here we are going to do completion of the poem. Let's see what is the question. Now, have you seen the dash? Have you seen the dash? Have you seen the cuckoo bird? So here you will write cuckoo bird. C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo, B-I-R-D. Have you seen the cuckoo bird? With dash wing. What was the color of the wing? That is black, and in the poem it is written raven colored wing. So have you seen the cuckoo bird with dash wing? So here you will write raven, R-A-V-E-N, raven colored, C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D, raven colored wing. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wing? dash, I haven't seen one yet. Although till now the speaker hasn't seen any cuckoo bird yet. So here you will write although, ALTHOUGH. Although I haven't seen one yet. Have you seen the cuckoo but with raven colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I've often heard her. What? The poet already and often heard the singing sound. So I've often heard her sing. So here you will write SING, sing. I've often heard her sing. The dash on a dash tree. The cuckoo. So here you will write cuckoo, CUCKOO. The cuckoo on a champak tree. What you will write? Champak tree. CHAMPAK. Champak tree. Okay. Now again I will read out the full paragraph for you all. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I've often heard her sing. The cuckoo on a champak tree. And where was the cuckoo? The cuckoo was on the champak tree of the speaker. So the cuckoo on a champak tree. So in this way you will write all the answers and this question and answer. That means your completion of the poem. Complete the poem you will write in your copy, in your notebook. Okay. So thank you everyone for paying attention, for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.